Morning everyone. So today I'm doing a video on adding a mulcher kit to my Cub Cadet. It's a Cub Cadet LT46. It is an XT1 series, and I bought it last year, and it just had the regular cutting blades on it, and it makes a mess. It goes everywhere. So I just have a little small lawn right here. It is the perfect size for us. So anyways, I got it installed. I'm getting out here and I'm going to use it now. So here we are. Here's the mower guard that's got to come off. So it's got one nut right here. You take that off and then it comes out from the bottom. So it's got, it comes out from the top, these two little hooks. So you go pull it off and put your mulching kit on, good to go. So you remove the mower guide or guard, and then you just got a little hook on this right here, lifts up and then pulls out like that. Got a little tab on the end, and then install the new mulcher blades in there, 2 of them. So those are all done. Just take and put this back on, put it in the hole there. It's gonna take me 2 hands to put it on because I gotta bend it to put it back, but that's the mulching kit. So let's see how it works. Okay, so pretty happy with how the mulcher worked. I mean, this is the remnants from the mulching. I mean, all that cutting. So yeah, it took it right down level, and very little remnants. So it definitely mulched it all up. So I'm gonna have to call this a win. The mulcher worked really well. As you can see, there's like almost no grass, and it took everything really good. So it's a little noisier than the regular blades, but definitely the debris is so much less. So I'm calling this a win. Good job, Cub Cadet.